Friends, this is D. Srinivas. Today I am going to extension of geometry topics is complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles and linear pair. After these four, most probably we are going to complete the angles topic. Now what is complementary angles? For example, in a school, you familiar this word in the school. When the teacher will give the complementary to you, simple. You are giving the proper answer to when the teacher is asking in the class, the answer depends on your answer. The teacher will give to you complementary, not complaint on you. Compliment the teacher is giving to you. Am I right or not? So that here the complementary word also used in mathematics. Now complementary angle is, yes, if two angles are said to be complementary angles, if the sum of two angles equals to 90 degree, if the two angles are said to be complementary angles, if their sum is 90 degree, then it is called complementary angles. Let us see. If two angles are said to be complementary angles, the sum of the two angles is equals to 90 degree. Here, two angles I am going to draw on the board. Such a different type of angles are there. Here this is 35 degree. One angle is here, making an angle is 35 degree. What is the complementary of next second angle? Yes, just I told you now. If two angles are said to be complementary angles, their sum is, means the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Here 35 degree is there. What is the remaining value? Yes, 45 degree. Where? 55 degree. Very good, 55 degree. So here 35, 55 degree are called complementary angles. 35 degree plus 55 degree is called complementary angles. Right? Very good. Now one more example. Here 89 degree. What about this angle? Yes, these two are, I am saying, to complementary angles. What is the value of second angle? Yes, 89 plus 1. If we don't know, you can write x plus y equals to 90 degree. This is the simple formula for complementary angles. One angle is given 89 degree. So y equals to 90 degree. Y equals to 90 minus 89 degree. Y equals to 1 degree. Yes. Second angle is 1 degree. So, dear viewers, we have to write any kind of particular question also by using this concept. Sum of two angles equals 90 degree. Such angles are called complementary angles. By these two diagrams, you have to get it very easy. Are said to be complementary angles, or in the ratio 2:3, find the angles. Now, first angle I should find. First angle. Simple, amma. First angle. In the exercise problem, we should go for detailing, but I am telling somewhat shortcut. First angle here, first ratio by sum of these two ratios, 2 plus 3, into complementary angle definition 90 degree. So 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5, here 5 18 ja 90, 5 18 ja 90, 18 into 2, 36. 5 1 ja, 5 18 ja 90, 18 2 ja 36 is the first angle. Now second angle. What is the second angle in supplementary? Second ratio by sum of two ratios into 5 into 90. Again here also 18 degree. 5 1 ja, 5 18 ja 90, 18 into 3, 54. Sum of these two, first angle is 36, second angle is 54. Sum of these two equals to 90 degree. So two angles are in the ratio 2:3. The first angle value is 36, second angle value is 54. Like these questions we have to solve in competition area. It will be useful, RRB exam, constable, whatever it is. This concept is important. Complementary angles. Okay. Now let us go with what are supplementary angles. If two angles are said to be supplementary angles, its sum is 180 degree. Its sum is 90, complementary. If sum is 180 degree, it is supplementary. If two angles are said to be supplementary angles, its sum equals, the sum of two angles equals to 180 degree. Now for example, you see the diagram. This is 135. What about remaining angle? Simple. Sir, 180 degree there, no sir, 135 will be there, remaining value is nothing but 45. Yes, very good. So, if two angles are said to be supplementary angles, sum of two angles equals to 180 degree. This concept we have to apply in any kind of question. For example, one example you see. If two angles are said to be complementary angles, the angles are in the ratio is 5:4. In the ratio is 5:4. Find the angles. Same like question. Simple number. I am going to take direct first angle. Yes, first value by sum of these two ratios, 5 plus 4, 90. And by the definition of supplementary angle is 180 degree. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 20. 20 into 5, 100. First angle will be 100. What about second angle? We should find two angles. Second ratio by sum of ratios into 180. 9 1 ja 9, 20 ja 20 into 4, 80. 100 plus 80. Sum of these two equals to 180. Now let us go with the last topic. Next topic is adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent angles? In a classroom, 3 members are sat in the bench. One middle person can be adjust. Am I right? Is adjust from right side person, left side person. Same phenomena I am using here. If two angles are said to be adjacent angles, that angles have a common vertex and common arm. If two angles are said to be adjacent angle, it consists one common arm and common vertex. By the diagram you can understand. You see that. Yes. Here OA, OB, OC. Here this is a common vertex. O is common vertex. Common vertex for O is common vertex of AB angle, first angle, and common vertex of second angle also. It is a common vertex of first angle and second angle as well as common arm. This is a common arm of first angle, common arm of second angle. So, two angles are said to be adjacent angle. Okay, that angles consist common vertex and common arm. These two are called adjacent angles. These two angles are also having common vertex is O, and these two angles are having common arm, middle line, that is called common. Then the angles are called adjacent angles. Okay. Next, last one but not least one, that is last topic but not least topic, that is linear pair. Linear pair. Simple and pair means two. Pair means two. Then the two angles are said to be linear pair if the sum of two angles equals to 180 degree. If the two angles are said to be supplementary, sum is 180. Same concept you see, Amma. If the two angles are said to be linear pair, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree. By the diagram, you have to understand easily. Yes. Here sum of two angles. Here two angles will be there. Here 60 for suppose, this is 120. Angle of BOC. Angle of BOC is 60 and angle of AOB is 120. If two angles are said to be linear pair, sum of these two angles equals to 180. Sum of these two angles equals to 180 degree. Such angles are called linear pair. Linear pair. Here linear pair does not have uncommon arm. Here linear pair does not have uncommon arm, and two opposite rays having two opposite rays. Uncommon arm and two opposite rays. This is very important note. Here also important note. In adjacent angle, two angles are said to be adjacent angles. It consists one common vertex and common arm. It consists common arm and common vertex. But here, no common arm. Two opposite rays are there. These are the two note points you have to keep in your mind. Then it can be easy to understand. I hope you have to understand this such a topics: complementary, supplementary, adjacent, and linear pair. So I hope you understand. Now please subscribe my channel to encourage to me. Thank you.